Hi guys, it is March, so it's time for another fabric haul. All right, so I have about 5 fabrics. I actually do have 5 fabrics I'm going to be sharing with you today. And I'm going to start right now. All right, so I'm not even going to delay it. I'm just going to get started. All right, so here we go. Here's the first one. And so this one is from Minerva.com. And I love this one. You know why I love this one? Because it reminds me of my childhood coloring book. Look at this. I feel like I can color it. I love it, and I love the print. And you know what else? This fabric makes me think of my child, Blair. And so I definitely think I'm going to be doing a mommy and me make with this one. So I'm excited. I don't even know what style I'm going to go for yet. It may be a top. It may be like little dresses, or maybe I'll have myself do a skirt for this, and then she'll probably wear a dress. I don't know yet. I have no idea, but I just know that I'm gonna do a mommy and me make with this fabric. It is so pretty. I love it. And so yes, this is from Minerva.com, and you guys know I love Minerva fabrics. Like, this is just really good. It is a woven fabric. It is not a knit, which is like amazing, because my January fabric haul, if you didn't see it, go back and watch it. It was 100% stretch knit fabric that I did. All 7 or 8 of the fabrics I did was stretch knit. So this is like really good that I'm moving in a different direction, not all stretch knit. And I really, really cannot wait to use this one. All right, so next one. All right, I'm excited. So this is another Nerva.com fabric. And this one I actually love because it reminds me of this one, but in a different way. So this is more of a canvas-like fabric. So it's like home decor fabric, but I'm going to be making a bag with it. I haven't made a bag in a while, and I actually love making bags, so I thought, why not make a bag with this? I love the colors. I think they work beautifully together. I think they will make a really nice bag. It actually reminds me of the Vera Bradley brand bags, and I love Vera Bradley. I have 2 bags of that. And so I was like, why not make my own? So I'm excited to do that. And look at this. Check this out. Look at the print on this thing. I got to show you guys this. Hold on. I got to find the right part of the print. Yes, the bird. Look at that. That is so cool. It's so pretty how they put those colors together. Whoever was the artist of this fabric props to them. This is such a beautiful design. I feel like I just would love to get the black and white version where it's like not filled in like a coloring book and actually colored in. This is the type of stuff I would love to color in with a marker or something. So yeah, I love this fabric. So pretty. So pretty. All right. So next one. Okay, so this one is from Finch Fabrics, and I saw it on their Instagram page, and I got it like instantly. I was like, I have to get this fabric because it reminded me of spring. It's like, it looks like a transitional fabric, if that is even a thing. A transitional fabric as in like going from winter to spring. That's the feeling I got, because I see like, you know, the green kind of reminds me, well, like the mint green kind of reminds me of like winter, but then like the pink and the orange reminds me of like spring and summer. So I just felt like it was giving me transitional period vibes. So I'm excited like for this, and I actually have an idea of what I'm gonna make with it. I think I'm gonna do a self-drafted make. So I drafted this outfit, and I'm gonna probably make it with this because I think it's gonna be perfect for it. So I'm excited to try it, and I am so excited for you guys to see it. I think it's gonna look really, really good. And the good thing about this, the outfit that I'm going to be making with this, I'm going to actually be using buttons, and I feel like these ones you can pick, like it's like you get to pick the buttons based on whatever fabric colors here. So I can get pink buttons, I can do the mint green buttons, I can do the purple buttons, I can do like the orangey buttons, and I feel like I just have so many options. So I haven't decided what color buttons I would use, but I know for sure that it's going to probably look really good and stand out really well on this fabric. Awesome. So that is that, and I'm so excited to make my top with this. All right, so next I have, and these are my last 2. These are from Melanated Fabrics, and I'm so excited. Let me tell you how I rushed to get these fabrics. I'm gonna start with one, and I'm gonna introduce the other one. But you guys, This is a graffiti print and it is stretch. And when I saw it, even before it got delivered to my house, I said, I want to make active wear. So now as the weather's getting nice, because you know, I'm not about running outside in the cold. I've tried it, not for me. The weather's getting nice. I'm making some active wear with this. And I think it's going to look really nice. Like, and here's the thing, this fabric, and I'm going to see if I can show you guys a little bit better. There's just so much good stuff here. There's just so much. I feel like it's like, I don't know. It's just so much good stuff from one end to the other. I don't know if you guys can see all the different goodness of it, but it's like really nice. But yeah, I'm going to make active wear with this. I feel like I was going to say something else, but I completely lost my train of thought, which is okay because I think it's going to come back when I start talking about this fabric. So yeah, I think it's going to be like the pants, like the leggings, and then like one of those sports bras or something. I mean, I might even be able to make like a fitted jacket with it. Who knows? But there's so many possibilities and I just love it. I love it. Oh, I remember what I was going to say. Okay. So basically this is actually, I would consider an out of my comfort zone fabric that I don't normally sew with, but when I get excited about it and it looks good, I'm like, I gotta pull it off somehow. Like, so this is one of those fabrics. I'm not really the type to go and buy a graffiti fabric or anything, but I think because the colors look so well together, it's like, I think I can do this. Like, I think it's gonna look really good as active wear. So yeah, out of comfort zone fabric, and I think it's gonna look really nice. So yeah. And also another thing, I was like, I need to figure out what shoes I'd wear with it. Like, cause my sneakers probably wouldn't look good with this fabric cause it's just, but I feel like I can find like, I think a neon colored sneakers. I know I'm just kind of like talking off the fly right now, but maybe like a neon color sneakers would go well with this. Or, I don't know. I have no idea, but I feel like the sneakers I have would not do this fabric justice. Like, it's just so pretty and rich in color. Like, I just love it. Like, look at that. It's so vibrant. Like, it's so vibrant. All right, I'm gonna leave this one here, and I'm gonna show you the next one, and I'm gonna tell you why I did that. So I have this one, and this was another one that was I think released around the same time as this fabric, and it also is another stretchy fabric, and I will show you guys. I'm gonna bring it a little closer. Look at that. Like, it's so pretty. It looks like, you know what it looks like? It reminds me of broken glass, but like potato chips. Like, I don't even know if that's a great explanation. You know, like those Lay's potato chips or with the ruffles, but then like it looks kind of like broken glass, which I love. Like, I love the print of broken glass, if that makes sense. I feel like if you don't know what's going on in my mind, you're probably going to be like, what is she talking about? But I know what I'm talking about, so that's all that matters. But anyways, the reason I wanted to like leave this one here is because I was actually thinking that if I do an active wear fabric with this, I can do like something like, you know, lost my train of thought, but I think I know where I'm going. So basically I'm gonna make like a strip maybe down the line with one of these other fabric, like with this fabric, like on the side, or maybe like do the top in this fabric and the bottom with this fabric, or vice versa. So basically I think I kind of want to mix it up a little because I feel like they can complement each other very well. Good thing is this one is like black and white, and this one is the colors one. So if I like, it's not like it's random colors here and this. I'm not great with mixing colors, I think, but I think it will be pretty easy if it's like fabrics like this. And then also the print kind of matches, not really, but like it has like, you know, it has the lines that kind of goes everywhere, and this one has the lines that goes everywhere. So I was like, maybe it could work. We'll see. And if it doesn't, you'll know because it wouldn't be in any of my pictures. But yeah, this is all the fabrics that I have. I'm gonna bring these others here and so you guys could see. And also I'm not great in folding, so I'm not even gonna attempt that here. It's just gonna look a mess. I let my husband fold everything. So these are the fabrics that I have for March. I am so excited because they make me feel like spring is finally here, even though it's like next week. But close enough. I felt the warm weather the other day. It's basically spring. So stay tuned for these outfits. I'm actually gonna get started on them, not today, but probably tomorrow, because I'm still working on finishing one more February fabric haul outfit, and then that is it. But I will see you guys later. Have a lovely day and a lovely spring if you're in the United States. All right, see you later.